FANUC, a leading manufacturer of industrial systems, presents the new iHMI Programming and Control Graphic Interface. Characterized by its maximum ease of use, combined with the traditional characteristics of efficiency and reliability, iHMI represents a major development in the interaction with FANUC systems. Thanks to these characteristics, the numerical control systems equipped with iHMI can be programmed, consulted and modified by the operator directly on the production line. Simply and intuitively. It is possible to program both repeated machining operations in mass production and particularly complex machining operations that require different levels of customization.